Bonjour tout le monde, so welcome to my channel Frenchistic. Today's topic is les verbes en IR, the IR verbs. So as we did the ER verbs in the last class, IR verbs is the second category of the verbs in French. So why are they called IR? Because there's infinitive ends in IR. Ce sont des verbes qui finissent par IR, which is IR. Par exemple, for example, accomplir, to accomplish, agir, to act, avertir, to warn, finir, to finish, grossir, to gain weight, punir, to punish, rougir, to blush, remplir, to fill, etc. And there are many, n number of list of verbs. So before beginning with how to conjugate the IR verbs, let's again revise the subject pronouns first. Je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. Now let's move further with how to conjugate the IR verb. Let's see the endings here. With every subject pronoun, we have a different ending that has to be added to the stem. Now, with je, we use IS. With tu, we use IS. With il, elle, we use IT. With nous, we use ISS, ONS. With vous, we use ISS, EZ. With il and elle, we use ISS, ENT. So these are the endings with each subject pronoun. Now let's see how we conjugate these and use these in conjugating the verb. Now the first verb that we're going to conjugate here is finir, which means to finish. So how do we go about it? First thing, we'll remove the IR from the verb. So after removing IR, what are we left with? FIN. So with this FIN, which is a stem, we will add the endings that we just did. Okay. So with je, we add IS. That is how we get fini. We take the stem and then we add the ending. With tu, we add IS. So that is how we get fini. Elle, fini with IT as the ending. Elle finit again with IT as the ending. Nous finissons with ISS ONS as the ending and fin FIN as the stem. Vous finissez ISS EZ as the ending. Il elle finissent ISS ENT as the ending. So I'll give you the pronunciation of this conjugation again. Je finis, tu finis, il finit, elle finit, nous finissons, vous finissez, ils finissent, elles finissent. So I hope you noticed there that the pronunciation for je, tu, il and elle, the conjugation, the pronunciation is the same. Je finis, tu finis, il finit, elle finit. Et après, nous finissons, vous finissez, ils finissent, elles finissent. Now the second verb that we're going to conjugate here is choisir, which means to choose. So again, what is the first step? We remove the IR from the verb and we get the stem, which is CHOIS here. So what we'll do, we'll take the stem and we'll add the endings for each subject pronoun that we have learned. Je choisis, tu choisis, il choisit, elle choisit, nous choisissons, vous choisissez, ils choisissent, elles choisissent. You can see the endings IS, IS, IT, ISS ONS, ISS EZ, ISS ENT. Now let's see some examples here. Je choisis toujours le poulet. I always choose chicken. Je choisis toujours le poulet. So je is a subject pronoun, so we add the ending as is. Le deuxième exemple, les enfants finissent leurs devoirs. Now les enfants, so this is plural, we can take it as ils. Les enfants finissent leurs devoirs. Since it is ils in the plural form, we'll add the ending as issent. The children finish their homework. La troisième phrase, elle rougit parce qu'elle est timide. She blushes because she is shy. Now, elle is a subject pronoun. We add the ending as it. Elle rougit parce qu'elle est timide. Now, le quatrième exemple, mon frère grossit quand il mange beaucoup. My brother becomes fat when he eats a lot. Mon frère grossit quand il mange beaucoup. Now, mon frère, which is il, right? So with il, what is the ending? It. We simply add the ending as it here. Après, le dernier exemple, nous réussissons quand nous travaillons beaucoup. We succeed when we work a lot. Nous réussissons quand nous travaillons beaucoup. Now, nous is a subject pronoun, so the ending would be issons. Merci tout le monde. Thank you so much for watching my video. I would also suggest that you watch the video for conjugating the ER verbs. I'll provide the link in the description box. Please go ahead and watch. And till then, see you next time for the next class now. And à bientôt.